This is our new invention, geriatric chair. We have created this to aid the handicapped and disabled people to adapt normal lifestyle. In today's world, handicapped people are dependent on others for basic things. Even when the wheelchairs nowadays are not safe enough, as no one can continuously keep a watch on the person. Therefore, we have built a prototype of a customized wheelchair or geriatric chair. Let's see it's working. The prototype basically works on 3 segments, namely obstacle detection system, accident alert system, and Bluetooth and gesture controlled system. Many times people using wheelchairs are not able to see small stones or obstacles coming in their route, which leads to accidents. The geriatric chair can prevent this from happening. It detects objects coming in its pathway with the help of ultrasonic sensors. Whenever an object is detected, the buzzer starts beeping to alert the user about it. In many cases, when a person is using the wheelchair, they collide with the barriers coming in their way with high momentum, which sometimes leads to heavy damage. But in the case of a geriatric chair, there is a SIM inserting socket wherein a SIM card is inserted which is directly connected with the phones of the family of the user. Whenever the user meets with the collision, the system will detect it and will either send a message or a phone call to his family. This action takes place according to the speed and seriousness of the collision. For example, while in the house, the wheelchair passes across any furniture and slightly touches it, the system does not react to it by sending message or call, as the speed of the collision is so low that no damage can occur. The tools and technologies we have used in the geriatric chair are extremely important to know. They are as follows: ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, battery, Arduino, battery, LED display, accelerometer, SIM 800L, DC motors, motor driver, and Bluetooth. Coming to the Bluetooth and gesture control system, the chair can be controlled by the user using Bluetooth system and can even move it using various gestures. Handicapped people already go through a lot. In the wheelchair, they also face collision which leads to severe accidents, physically damaging them. This is a common problem that usually isn't talked about as disabled people are present in minority. The geriatric chair is a masterpiece which kills the problems of a handicapped person. It already detects the obstacle and alerts the user about the obstacle. It is highly advanced as it also detects the seriousness of the collision. It also sends a message to the family of the user according to the seriousness of the collision.